Yes, okay. Today we are going to provide video of class 5 chapter 10 air. Nobody has seen air, you know this thing. Air is present all around us. Although it is present all around us, we can feel it but cannot see it. This is because pure air is colorless, odorless and tasteless. Here's composition of air. Nitrogen gas 78%, oxygen 21%. Another gas is carbon dioxide, water vapor, helium, ozone, hydrogen, etc. is present in air. So air is a mixture. What is humidity? The amount of water vapor present in air determines the humidity of air. Or now importance of air, you know this thing, how we are taking oxygen and give out of carbon dioxide. Here photosynthesis, once again here given in photosynthesis in chapter 2 I have discussed about photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is process in which plants make their own food. Okay, nature maintains a balance. Here how you maintain nature, how nature maintain a balance. Here try to understand. Here you are observing boy is inhaling air, boy is exhaling air. Exhaling air, carbon dioxide. Photosynthesis, it means here plant take in carbon dioxide and release oxygen, and it is inhaling air. Boy is inhaling air. It means carbon dioxide is producing and it is consumed by plant and then release oxygen, and it is used by boy. It means there is maintains a balance. Okay, try to understand. Here very simple thing, carbon dioxide, which takes carbon dioxide? Plant. And which takes oxygen? Boy. In this way carbon dioxide is producing and oxygen is releasing, and in this way nature maintains a balance. Okay, now role of nitrogen, try to understand. Here role of nitrogen, it is also simple thing. In pulses nitrogen is present. Plants require nitrogen in large amounts. However, plants cannot absorb nitrogen directly from the air. Nitrogen gas has to be changed into other forms to be utilized by the plants. Bacteria present in the soil help to convert the atmospheric nitrogen into such a specific form. Okay, try to read this thing and try to understand. Now here ozone. The atmosphere is sealed. Atmosphere, ozone layer. O3, oxygen, formula of ozone, O3. Here layer of oxygen, and it prevents ultraviolet rays. Okay, read this thing. Pollution of air. Pollution, you know this thing. This day there is pollution in the atmosphere. There are such different type of gaseous pollutants, solid pollutants. Okay, how does the air get polluted? There is dust rays from the ground, stone dust rays by crushing of stones, etc. Here stoves using cow dung, cakes, wood and thresh as cooking fuel are a major source of air pollutants in India. They produce smoke whose concentration can be as much as 5 times higher than that produced by ordinary coal. Okay, so this is producing a smoke. Effects of air pollution. Acid rain, try to understand about acid rain. Whenever air will be polluted and suppose at that place there is raining, it means polluted air will mix into that rainwater and it turns into acid rain, and it can damage crops and reduce the fertility of soil. Greenhouse effect. Greenhouse effect, what do you mean? There is a house of which thing? Glass. Suppose there is a house which is made up of glass, and you should know whenever rays of sunlight enter into this glass house, but this worm will not go outside. Due to what are the reasons? Due to glass. This worm will not go outside, and due to this glass. And if you are planting here, suppose you are planting trees, this plant will grow better. Okay, there is no problem. And there is no trapping of heat. Such effect is known as greenhouse effect. Presence of carbon dioxide and some other gases in air causes a phenomena called greenhouse effect. Global warming, simply warming of the earth, warming of the atmosphere of the earth. This is known as global warming. Okay, try to understand ways to reduce air pollution. We should plant more trees, lesser use of vehicles, regular checkup of vehicles, use of cleaner fuels. You know this thing, very simple thing. Here, dumping the garbage in a pit, constructing tall chimneys. Here you are seeing that this chimney is very tall. Good habits. Okay, try to understand. Now question answer time. Try to write question answer also. Nitrogen and oxygen, carbon dioxide, photosynthesis. Nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, photosynthesis, ozone, polluted air. True, false, true. Nitrogen, smoke, water vapor, carbon dioxide. Okay, here acid rain. Try to write this thing. If anyone has problem, you may write meaning from keywords. Okay, nitrogen, oxygen and vapor. The process by which green plants make their own food, skin and eye disease and affect the growth of plant. The impurities in air, sulfur, ozone. Dust rays from ground, smoke emitted by vehicles, smoke from forest fires, germs from coughing. Okay, value based question answer also I have written. Yes to save environment and yes. Question answer, try to write. Try to pause the video and try to write question answer. There is no problem. In case of any problem, you may contact directly. Okay, try to pause and try to write all the question answers. Chapter 10, here it is written. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.